I make a simple what do you call this, that school scheduling system. Nandito naman subject, time, day. Ikaw lang talaga mag-i-input. F11 subject natin tulad niyan, sir. Nalagay ako subject mathematics. Tapos time 10 AM. Tapos day, sabi nating Monday. Tapos dito mo na lalagay sa add schedule. Tapos directly siya maglalagay ng schedule. Favorite ko lang talaga yung kulay green. Sir. Thank you.